enti no sani aye no ya ko na afenso no amane ne nsem no yatumi eri aba.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my lips could build a castle. Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
That's all right. In Tenia man and Samno, Yanshana Fins, Yanfan Tuja, and Sona Fama, because they know Uko Facebooka, Okoman Radio 97.1. No, ye check Google's live for now. Fins what to me, and your Jumediano so at match Samsung on YouTube, no, and so your Okoman Radio 97.1, Samsung Instagram, Okoman 971, Okwa, Jumedian, so her life, over to me a question been still on Facebook, no, Konako like page, you know, Okoman Radio 97.1. Oh, like keep page now. Share now for France when you be share. Now face on file comment and so Fatwa say now face on prepare no yet to make in kind and so that to me at the Amawa and also na yasem kuma sansuna and I'm an phone so but to continue so now face what to me at or what to make Jumedi be and so Honoma and also your Kuma Radio 97.1 and also na yasem kuma and to straight away yan chana face so in 7 yen to me and fan to jump and so then farm out yeah yan shall send free UEFA Nations League and no anye for their grow okwa big game no and so to draw ewa na nya asem ke to Belgium no and after so le Blues of France it made the Buenia that's a game no na tension match papa match in corner we no na near France no and so to match Belgium abone kan makoma yensa ama Belgium so no et me atimu no na game no ye bo 60 minutes no na Belgium so na to match 2-0 omotena ma France so no abet take no actually become one and France so it may winning by 3-2 na Belgium afem no Branton day ade Yannick Ferreira Carrasco e Bogo Sanson na Branton day ade Romelu Lukaku Bolongoli e so timi de bako let me kan ho e ma Belgium na so antintam Branton day ade Karim Mustafa Benzema ate kana timi de ma France man no Branton day ade Kylian Mbappé Lutin ade bako peso ana afem so na Branton day ade Theo Hernandez so ade last goal no ade peso and no so timi boy e ma France man no and so no timi che ade Bobo Kwani day and so man day and so na de Belgium a born kano makuma yensa ngama dey no Belgium team mienu and then semen rada etu etwegu ye na UEFA Nations League ni mu a yeso yetumi ade ma etefo na na yehwe match and so betumi akoso UEFA Nations League ni mu a onu se grand finale no na to etumi krado a enya semkuma ene La Roja of Spain and after so no French man yo and ade France grand finale no and so betumi abo ni a yeso yetumi ade etu yetefo ade ne no UEFA Nations League no final so na paso eye ne no man di there Spain and after so France and so ade babo ni a enya semkuma yenkwa na yeko piemo awene Africa ne ye World Cup qualifiers and so na todwa ewe bibremu na fenso efa results no ana fenso no fesa saka no efa tujwa efa ma yetefo enu akopiem wa Africa ha World Cup qualifiers no matches dodo na so no etimi tujwa yambobo so efa ma yetefo DR Congo and so etimi tina fie eti oman ni de Madagascar upon kan mienu Madagascar so no entimi ante sanso na ne Liberia etina fie Emma Kived, abete ne ball academy no, Emma Liberia so no, etimati mu bako, Tanzania so tena fie, Emma ne Benin, abe ball ne kabako a, ono so no went me at ne Equatorial Guinea, and na we na upset Amrantia no, omo tiene no, Zambia ball ne kama mienu a, Chipolo Polo of Zambia, and so no entimi ante, and also na yasim kuma, Sanso na Rwanda, atena fie, Emma Uganda ko ball ne kabako a, ono so no went me at Mali, ati Kenya, e ball ne kano makumaku num, ane ene Kenya so no entumi antena Tunisia enso na che ene no Mauritania ebo na kamiensa wantumi antena shocking results ni tie shocking results ni nie ene Super Eagles of Nigeria etena fie amanfo nkrata asem ye eno afikese mu kwa na wankɔ ni ya enumgase aba Nigeria etena fie emene Central African Republic abetene pone kabako a ono so no wantumi antena jese no na so shaba fie afikese mai se amanfo antumi betena nkoye amfa amanfo Nigeria mine tena fie emene no oman ni the Central African Republic so abetene pone kabako a ono so no wantumi antia ono so yere etu yetiefu anim na yedi se no yemehwe na fishesa ono so no etu dwa na match se betu dwa ewo Africa ha no say na no so sifatie Malawi so no so far and Ivory Coast ball 17 minutes no obi anto no antimi fa ball ento no nyonko atire mu sanso na Angola abetena fie 4 pm no no so ene ye Gabon etumi ball man ni the Cameroon so no etena fie rato ne sa e de from Mozambique man no mo so de abon ya and also no so 4 pm Ghana time na 7 pm no Algeria betena fie na fie so ne Niger and so etuma bo Djibouti and Burkina Faso and so betuma bo so 7 pm Ghana time and afie so Egypt etena fie awene Alexandria no so in Libya etuma bo and also so 7 pm Ghana time yesterday to me ade atu yetefo into when summer etwagu ewa Africa ya World Cup qualifiers cinema yesterday yetumi ade atu yetefo ni go pm wa manane asamba akomienu yemfantu janfa mawodia uko pm on England dia Newcastle United ene sika suagu sika kasa Newcastle team no ene sika bem kofiko tie ni ye ore ni den ene Ben Saman yes want to me the 300 million pounds aberiamu 300 million 300 billion a billion ani de ura Newcastle mu tie ni ye katafo no Abu Dhabi fo no omusika bon ha omotene pampan entie ni Jeff amafo kasawa Ghana ha Elijah Guisa mo turn mpie ba kwa no my disturbance Newcastle in a new ownership and about 300 billion pounds ye de ura Newcastle mu entie ni oba wi asef na nyina team asika wom Newcastle and in worth na 300 billion pounds na ba bidu Paris Saint-Germain mo this ana Khalifi ono an nkrofo ene Ben Saman mewa na ono ti sa na se wa boto kakra it's a Newcastle United in some no and so by the new ownership and I take you over and so Newcastle and 300 billion pounds no yatumi de remu Newcastle and also na pana Liverpool akati omo chirema Mohamed Salah contract extension no and omo share some na brand ten so be di nkomo na face so metuma man contract extension omo share say 2 years omo tumi de ma brand here the near Mohamed Salah no so to akoso esi akan and the Liverpool man no and as the Liverpool team no na se KPM no and then what you be no antwa na Brighton the there Mohamed Salah ebetuma je 300,000 pounds a week and then this car and then Liverpool for and so na yes say and so that to me e dey ma Liverpool team na and so dey etu yetefo ani na Daniel Levy onu so chairman e dey ma e Tottenham Hotspur team no na nka ma for hwe sanke ne ori an betuma sia Tottenham supporters no na face on o madi nkomo say ne no Brighton dey Hurricane no Brighton nko na so ne performance no for and then ye be ye betuma boa ama Tottenham so no etuma fa no tuma pefre na Daniel Levy to no say na mamu nye serious me dwin sika ho me dwin akwaya be first sika be team no enye ne no Hurricane asem Brighton ye dey Tottenham player it is supporters no sansem no fa to baby enye ade na be ba be sia ho na face minimum edi nkomo internet sem no Daniel Levy no ye chairman enso ne tumi ade ma ye Tottenham gboboko no enso no etumi ade atu dwana so far amafo pe coaches so tia say ube piemu Newcastle amu share nim se sika betim yi ometuma pe coach papa no so abegyina mu enso na etumi de ama Newcastle gboboko ne no Martian na se coaches no makoma nsia ene ne omudi abeto ba ma so Arsene Wenger former Arsenal coach no ni din so etuma ba sanso ne Eddie Howe enso na kane no so no El Pelly ni din so etuma ba sanso ne Rafa Benitez of Everton amu share nim se ne yedi sika kwa bona chiwo ni atam ne den so no abepio Newcastle Frank James Lampard so edi etuma beto just Steven Gerrard honestly didn't na from na face so Antonio Toto Conte yes honestly dia beton from man Newcastle honestly ka be fie sika ofie ye adepa so ofie ye internet coach si makoma ko nsia Newcastle for hwe sene no oba ko fa mu bako etima be PM coach si ni Arsene Wenger former Arsenal coach no di ni atodwa sanso na Eddie Howe enso na di wo Rafael Benitez ono so ni di abetodwa ore ni di Frank James Lampard so Eddie Aboba Steven Gerrard ana afin so no Antonio Toto Conte ono so ni di enso no etimi abetojwa yanso yetumi ade yetu yetiefuani na akopemu Barcelona katia defender ne de Samuel Mtiti report ne pa James Antonio January no Brandt nso betima terminate ne contract no nso akopemu Juventus bobo konim esansa Brandt no ball no nchara nya bi mbo Barcelona team no ntia wo mahia so betumi apia akwa nanim na afenso ne bobo akensie no eso etuma fa ne tuma pa afira ntia report ba ekirem Samuel Mtiti anhwe ne no terminate ne contract enso na Barcelona katia no so akopiem enso no ewo ne Juventus bobo konum no so akosi akan enso no etumi ede amoma ye de eto yetiefuo ne yesa be piem ewo England na medicine no onum say ne player of the month of September etuma ba sanso na manager of the month of September etuma ba ne no England coach of the month no ma mfen free wo manager of the month no na me fancy ano etuma ko ede ma Mikel Arteta of Arsenal menene ya adwen Mikel Arteta etumi wini manager of the month of September into the JFT Arsenal coach and din ade Mikel Arteta etumi wini manager of the month of September Samson a player of the month of September I mean Mr. Obia 1-1 oh no Jeff wo sha wan na benya
player of the month in September as me who be already say what the ama Cristiano Ronaldo
no na hu yo
me hu
it's confirm I know Cristiano Ronaldo
which I feel it's funny very because there are other players are where they saying Ronaldo during the course of the month so but whichever criteria what they yeah no well I can't tell
Entino Cristiano Ronaldo and then so no player of the month of September who could with the English Premier League and also no etime wini e wo na Italy funu se ya bi Italy ade yan ne sa Kalidou Koulibaly player of the month of September who could with Serie A anima and also anyone to me vote no say player of the month of September Kalidou Koulibaly and then no so no what to me na Enes Spalletti and so no coach of the month no and also na to me akọ ere aman internet aman ne sam no je yem fancy pop mo news na ade ne na but yerebesi na yetwa ye ho aba ye ba ye de nkomo no beto aso
for this. I miss my mom and dad for this. No. When I see stars, that's all they are. When I hear songs, they sound like
right. Intino yama bejafunya kwaba. Ensamra mbra Okoman 97.1 radio. Okoman Global Sports. And we enso yetumi atena seya. Yebedi nkomo onum se ne no nsem ofie Intino amanane ne yenche wo ho be shop France and Belgium game no Belgium kukwasa saatwa na France be born 3-2 and on UEFA Nations League amfa but ye be fia ye ba be di fie nkomo Black Stars of Ghana ochina big game no e be todwa Cape Coast Sports Stadium Sanso na club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene wa ko primo Dubai and also no ye de nkomo beba but ene obetumi de wagin chira ba WhatsApp SMS yes I know 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 Samson na Facebook and so called live you try go mo ho Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 and no Facebook okwa like page no share na foforo nya bi nhwe na afi so do comment e dey ato obrepem yes so betima kenkan and so no etumi e dey ama Samson na ne no YouTube so Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 okwa oso obetimi ɛnyɛ bi ahwɛ ɛwɔ hɔ san so na Instagram ɛnso na yɛ Okoman 971 Instagram Okoman 971 okɔ a oso betumi follow dwumadi no so ɛwɔ hɔ na bibia nso no ɛtumi ayɛ kama ɛnso ɛwɔ hɔ Bahima abedwafo akɔ aba abedwafo mema akɔ aba bibia fine
Nyame ado bibia kama.
Okay. Senior.
Yo papa.
Bibia fine.
Nyame ado bibia kama. Say adechi and say adebi I said America no na we dey afe. Because afe ne day ente say next year beba and I say next year beba Friday bi. Nti no say afe bia ade PH when say sada na ya afe ma. Nti no de nyame ase say samri that's a thing come na mo de emu afisare.
Okay. Mr. Jeff.
However,
Bibia fine.
Nyame adom bibia great. Bibia great.
And then Friday.
Yeah, next Friday.
Local weekend.
Until we share senior week in Akona. Senior man paying kasatimi pass it through na shoe fabric shaky na. Next one say sorry I then so. Say shoe fabric jina na so. Na Okoman radio so jina na so. Na Okoman global sports so jina na so. And I just say bibia the thing.
Okay. Coach.
Yes, I was.
We are fine. What you do anyway?
Oh, so let me cry down to ja.
Okay, there be how you do anyway, sir.
Oh,
I'm foul.
oh, ever
Sir, I be a name. Who you do
Ever
sir? Okay, say BBI come out.
Be come pa.
Okay. Power fresh. Better na. For microphone no, on transit. We now better na say. Power fresh and Sophia. You be doing come sanso and no courage man and so ewa ha yenso you be doing come ewa ha but I want for messages na ba no I say give for Black Stars Morano kaka into no my for Black Stars Morano na man for say Black Stars still o krom
Yeah.
nti ne the Black Stars of Ghana and then so no Okoman Radio and Okoman Global Sports yama Murano and you know enkane Ghana be bobora asemo nti no still na yan support on kakra ebefa sani ayi kofi coach kan ebefa nti no ni nyina so no nti no yan chance in UEFA Nations League no a big game no etumi ekọ so na je say the Blacks say we dey no Belgium and I feel so no France and etumi the boy nina game no now say na tension won pa after 63 minutes no na Belgium lead 2-0 about 90 minutes we are France at watch Belgium 3-2 na just say France team won say na performance no so enti you watch that game Mr. Jeff, you have so far UEFA Nations League.
To be very honest with you, I haven't paid much attention to the UEFA Nations League, but I think I saw highlights of the match, and I think before France was started, you know, I think that Belgium was on top, and Kevin De Bruyne was doing his thing because 2 goals assist from Kevin. Until France came back and they really did their thing. French national team now, and the lineup are Didier Deschamps put up now. I mean, and Wakra said they won. I mean, if you have a triumvirate of Kylian Mbappe, Karim Benzema, backed by the creativity of Antoine Griezmann, I mean, everybody will expect you to beat any team on the planet now because you have three of the most talented players on the planet. So time now, even up into the second half, Belgium full lead, you know. Now I was a bit surprised, Kakra. I was a bit surprised, Kakra. But it's a fair result. It's a fair result. I mean, France has the biggest pool of football talent in the world right now. So anyone wants to say we'll win it.
Anyone wants to say we'll win it. I know. Jeff football team. Anna, what's in the card? Senior.
Papa. Bese etia phobium. Na kakra me kan say. Wo hwe Nations League na time was starting na most of African countries in here because of say na I say Europeans in our agenda say what ma yeni wo nya kwan more friendly matches in yade, but as long as na equation na inferior na say the momentum no say na ebasro na it come to stay. Wo hwe before kra ndra na Belgium and France be bono na other day no na Italy and Spain for the long while no na Italy will lose match here international we mu ye, but no Spain the one chika former Spain the team edi won so nkunima ema World Cup final you say ntina match no na a tough game because na Spain edi kan final the ntina see what train the opponent side only fee Belgium and say France abana or then what they are presenting we say ni nansan anandra na we say game na hard game, but we say the best team no anytime ya no be qualify and I feel so we determine say we be bia cause we share Spain na and Italy now we say Italy for no gina wona so, but na Spain for say no was he bibi until we say Spain for no team ye bibi ma ultimate then qualify quarter final the bandra game na and rano now we say game na tension anu yeding no kwale nyango na tension anu yedi because within first half na Belgium match 2-0 Carrasco and Lukaku yo ntino sa goals no ba wie no na obi en me say nka hadan de why ma dem Belgium because na one side France for no so, but could you believe say French coach you know the sham who say no was say make sure say you be winning match because na yako Europe no na was expecting France for no went man yes hard no so what you say into no there we you know betimi dey na dey atu nanim into no say na nani abre na for a long while no na what say France team no anytime be Benzema bobo mo be she go bia won lose sa match no Into no Benzema says I go no. Now we say now has a I repeat no say then a bemu because Benzema say go our France match man we feature for France team what she go amu lose that. Into no now we say go no. Now we say have you no and as enthusiasm on by into we say tell me what when you first go no we say boys no yeah what you say no. You can do the job. So you create world class players. Benzema or Mbappe or Pogba or say no. You have to do something. Send you be doing the I'm down so share match in the year match in the year to Tankuya. Mbappe 2 no. Oh, now we say no. Now I know you didn't answer. Now tell you elbow way AC. You, maybe 3-2 no. Now we say Nijaba, papa. Oche Oko Italy crown when you more crass and say, one walk of honor because one player now then I'm an home so. Into the media say, Ndra match in F. The Yamias say, France fire that qualify into no Fana and never because Oche said the way match in IFNA, Media Fana, Cyber Pepper never into Yabadan Yamias say, Ndra France qualify. Near Spezzenga, Belgium qualify, but in the year no. Then you idea will be to me France because now France for class because ocean there more actually man I has at the same price into a film now say I'm say one film near then ever form because over for now say has I say from now we fit Chelsea I call I am Madrid no abo ball kakra and we play work and ma consistency near then any adwuma the time no gina ball say na film won to e ma we the time no ball mu na e ma Kevin Ben nya chance oh pretty ama otimi ko ni ma pass but has a film no so drop back into na very ama ne ball no assistant because of say onya playmaker bi on the ball but man ne ball no assistant because no on the boy man ntimi ko ni ma pass ni ade ntimi dey say has a film say how in account am I in France for then etimical dey kudos to France wetimakal dey.
Okay, I know summer senior on duty and so no etumi to ja coach what is that? Oh, if you didn't. I know the Chicago. We PSG just now. Once we were France, now France will war after so. Over show. And you know, young farmer and some no insina yem brefi ni medi fi nkomo. Onum say adachana 4 p.m. I just said the Black Stars of Ghana and I feel so Zimbabwe. To me at the World Cup qualifier. Big game no. To me at to jam. A Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Na a man for network on Tony. Na and also no a World Cup qualifier between Matuja or Cape Coast. Ahead of the game, no, and team preparation, coach Milovan Rajevac, any players Nina now to me one final training. And there will be a warm up Kakrebi and then yes serious training, warm up Kakrebi. And I want so no ebe na uko Facebook I'll be saying infonia and also go on Black Stars training, you know, and then so so yes, which coach Miller na also na chira Jordan I use any one she go on far. Yeah, now you say mobile pa, but still Black Stars, you know, oh hey, do tomorrow we be fine. International Black Stars training now you say Abey, you know. Niama be fine. Okay. Matthias. And you know, Black Star still. We should one training now. We should say, you know, victory with my ba. Before this game now, I'm out for FA no NSC Ministry of Youth and Sports. Now said direct kakra. We see me now. I say me printed ticket. We see your mobile no Cape Coast. We see your kobo. Ayo link lane or bossy. Ninyi na area to yenga ya kwa kobo game no. So far. Maybe my be some preparation so far of the Black Stars and I think so the match itself, you know. Say now,
I think this will be your first chance to see what Milo is bringing on board in his second coming. I think it's a picture now. I think I've also seen it. Say now, or the DIU shooting technique. Was it? It was Jordan Ayew. Shooting technique. I think say obetro edimu because Jordan and Kasa ni shooting technique na sheda nyahi. You know say if they are going to actually say they can who be na edi nya. I mean when it comes to African teams. So African teams are most of the time you share European teams na there you be ball ni nyina. And so sa nyama nkiti we are na de bia we the BTN. So say if we have a coach who identify a problem na who say say be my tutorials be on shooting na me feel say edimo, and if Jordan you be a humble if your brain once here he might learn something new. Senior may there be a mechano. It doesn't matter how much you think you know. If you humble yourself, you learn something new, and you learn more. And me, I'm really looking forward to the game. I want to see how the team will line up, and I want to see what tactics Milo Obe you see in this match. We are not downplaying Zimbabwe, not at all. We are not downplaying them in any way, because as they say, world football, no. Bet me at na hobe one say team bit say Fiji be baby the when you form passa na akoye edimguase ama
Nigeria gamer what's in a Central Africa Republic special 1-0
so at
na Zambia and so tana on going for the show me 1 minute na Zambia match and ankasa but me how you say as Africa young so-called big countries now, Ivory Coast, Cameroon. I say, the smaller countries, but of late, one away, one destiny.
That is the issue. I think some teams across other continents, I think one I realize say football talent in it, if baby aba. But I think Africa has no still powerhouses, no. You need to your say powerhouses, and we don't respect certain teams. That is North Africa, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco, West Africa, Cote d'Ivoire, Ghana, Nigeria, Cameroon, even Mali, Senegal, South Africa. I say where North Africa and West Africa no. Yeah, na you football powerhouses no on the continent, but those from the southern part. Dark horses like Zimbabwe and a surprise winnie where Central African Republic right sometimes I mean if you say we're African country but we say after near what they aim for Nigeria, right?
Yes,
Nigeria. Nigeria is I think a 3-time AFCON winning country. And so one guy on Passa, we winning AFCON JBI. I think they still have the same crop of players. When we winning AFCON, no. And I think it's about time. The quote unquote giants of the game on the continent, once we have home race. Now, say players need be a hockey can ya. This work for international duty and because. But I don't blame them too much because club football is what pays them. So what I say, it's about national assignment now. Ube in Jao now kwa na clubs ni before say wabo onka. So African football no so buga kakra because young pitches ni bi ni ade kwa ni ade nye cause injuries ni ade. Edu so kra na teams ni bi wo kra one person will release one players no be for the AFCON. I think African football there it's time we take a look at it again. But we are hoping Ochenano Black Star Bedim Kunim and then they will come out with convincing football. Now Mr. Kate bring back the love no. Not just a basini kwanswara because baby siki akono de yanko fine de na I
but mami bisa way ene Milo aba for a very long time, over 10 years in Alfie Ghana, now saying about Black Stars in Mubi. Going into this game, what are you expecting from Coach Milo as in a tactical approach and I think with the players themselves?
To be very honest with you, my expectations here are very minimal. So I make a minimal and I just say shut down who pick a CBS because 10 years ago the Black Stars we had players like Sule Muntari, Steven Tornado Apia, Sule Essien, Laie Kingston, you have Matthew Amwa, Asamoah Gyan was in his prime. I mean, even the young Dede Ayew was doing his thing, Kwadwo Samoa, John Mensah, even John Boy, what's his name, John Paintel, Harrison Affo. We had a very good crop of players. I could say, it was the second golden generation after after Abedi Pele more time no. So what I say. So I mean we had a strong team that we were feared on the continent. But as I say I don't think it's a fear no. Me say okay say member Black Star 11 say Accra players be o me anymore. So what I say. And Nina how young football no I think for some time now. So my expectations they ensure the initial, but I am hoping say Ochinano or Ochinano Milo will prove to us he's the best tactician we've hired for the national team in recent years.
Okay, I know Jeff Akufu-Boateng and I was saying in Ghana no on China expect something new from Coach Milo, but no sure and say Black Stars and so maybe to me every ni na one qualify and so no to me area going senior
Ghana say one of the over can now that one show another so jina fa akwan nti na ma ka Ghana say one na wa hwe ni ye den ma me ka say wo hwe couple of players Milo efre won wa and then ye ka say coach Siki Akono players of free one na one ya na technical team no efre de buy na afi so coach no so dey be den account but ye hwe preparation so far won aye the bobo match ochina na wo hwe friendly match boy ya ni soccer intellectual as 8 goals pie wom na as a young top striker when the match 1 goal kura na watch the penalty to one no san boto chine
senior sa match no so share position award Jordan I think say Coach Milo am on a new role all born from the wings so I say and then the role Jordan about Crystal Palace it's in a coach no actually said that role no the man obetimi abana and indeed a boy I'm 2 assists in that game into no so one she go can at least what to me I'm assist I'm at the strikers themselves and answer Benjamin Tetemo etumi yeren Joe family yemo she go so I think say no to me want say issue
and issue but na me pattern say as a young top striker wo ho na fine one assist you enka why are they but the ball out to am say as na coach ni kire say na wo shoot ball no what ball out to am say penalty but say nanka move ema wo adna wo here for the day no na wo san ball no to kire there
and they say a friendly game ya penalty day obi atumi boss no on a bigger stage you can say baby get boss no they no mess mo boss no
you but now make say for now a new generation na aba nti we na we senior player we mtina ye say o set example my na ye lekwe na afio so na me hwe players ni we say we players na aba na a new players bi won sha wo de dawo ade a me pese coach no aye ne say boys no obese won kuran because new tactics new coach because 10 years ni akwa ye fe ne waba ye expectation if you want say obama ye moral obama ye view obama ye vigor ye de be support team because now no the to me and I say anija ye di ball echi ye di ball na echi for now no aba form into the best say coach Milo be hye ni players ye and na message say ochina no enye favoritism selection the person who know to play why you ready so ball well you our confidence say me ball na was so the one ball no enye din hasem because ye ni Milo why be that it so benchi sula ali mentally no that time na fans na the day are you no aba wo fi ana 20 wo aba yes wo susai but go change say no sula mentally we a big team could no and now you big player could na enya de be mo ya de about tenachi na mo fa ne mo bonds go ye bilibi intino sa ne ma no ema ye geni di say eba control of players na so yo ya de inti o china no wonio oni wetima ball no obetima obama goals and as obama teamwork aye adwuma and we so use enye big team and as a big player and as when I with Debbie so china no say captain kura na o hwe na ne body ball fuma o man starting fi bench mira senior be ya the view man say Ghana fo benya gidi awonimu because now no Ghana fo bebre ni gidi wo coach Milo mu men Canada bebre ni gidi coach Milo mu di bibia be share and say gidi ni be senya ba back e be gina o china match no so and o china match no so ye must win ye hia draw be ye must win because baby edu ye what critical zone ya will see a win your matches in near qualify into a china match in a credit in or china match in the depending in one Eddie Kuchi plan when you show the coach that is for the yaba because near Kasi CK in a touch like no touches or born no born plan behind you won't share and say now Marco come say go and play and do anywhere we them could not pack my but now you see the technical coach aba and you only you will be a park and so say 4-4-2 say 4-3-3 said only you because me say tema coach in the bar no we be saying questions back when being say tama no ha no obo one goal project now be that no be na o si say question mo we say because obe new players no dey on mo ba be adwuma and pass wo share friendly match no boy na the way that is our boy and the way boy go flow wo mu no a Jesus with me boss that is no na say boys na tenase na wo jam je say because who say me for the Kamazu Zuma Kamadin who say now no obobo and I feel so Joe family so nyina ba ntim je say players nya players say coach ni ma chance wait my believe because wo gina wana so fatal no money ade kudus when you na wana so ntim je say o china match no say coach ni ma the best players and the best team why ready to play the ball no more ball na je say the winner you hwe na beba yen say because you na you hwe fi one because you win yes supporters ade yen say win and I feel coach no so scared am na yen skaketwa until so deliver my yen deliver yen hwe mfi ni wo onye bilibi yen sampa our team is back in good shape and then you hwe fi coach ni wo.
Okay, and then someone sitting on duty and so 2022 we are still Otie Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1 radio. Oko Facebook with me actually live Sansona. Yes, Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube also Oko bit my share also Okoman Radio 97.1 Instagram Okoman 971 also ubenya kwenya na also no with me ashare and so with me the WhatsApp and SMS and so at me aba I mean say and you know messages nibi about say good afternoon. I am Pato from Ekropon Hanover. Ghana will win by 3-0 tomorrow. Have a good day, bro. And also at me adding a day about on two. Okay. It be about her. Or you say all right, I say I'm Afai Maxwell. I'm watching live. And also at me the day about Kwesi Kata. And so etua I say Afai Maxwell say keep the good work. And also at me the day about our Facebook. Eric Tay, also you are live at Manfi Total Filling Station. You guys are doing extremely well. Keep it up. Beric. Also my inchi Black Skin. Also the Black Stars should get their identity back. This game is a must win. This game is a must win. Okay. For them. If not, then they should forget about qualifying. Black Skin. And so ultimately in the about Chelsea. Maybe I will be and also I didn't about so Chia Corey other things so no Jeff and you know once and as one so a better stand coach
Minia
I mean to your Black Stars
Minia ma can be but you ready to have it and so called you when the bia na dia no zero enye there omo ka coach ba mo ka coach no you was and for you coach no kwa na yadwuma Blaster coach na kana. Wonu apama pejo aka na ho a omo ne be adwuma. So no kwa gina infinity empre. Omo wonu ne wo no ne be susu. Omo je Ghana fo a 7, omo so abobo ne go Ghana epen. Di ko yi a ye fa bre mu coach, se bre coach no training na sika ko no ye pam no. Ya pam no nko on, pam no na boje fo ni na ko ye. We so bo apam afa ne ko fo da abeka no. Nse maybe one say e kan mo me hu omo so e kan ho no ejina bia me Ghanaians otu ado so bobo Ghana o Blaster no abi pai Jones dia mo pa no so betu dia boa ma Blaster na kwa anim asa coach wa ba first one okoye oba coach national team junior side na 23 so na coach here don kwaji here nti ono so de mpuntu no ne mwa no tinya bwa blaster no etumpon my Ghana no etumpon me nka blaster my Ghana no etumpon o me Ghanaians ono yo wo ono we bia me akọ ne din akọ ba mo am ye Ghanaians na mo wo ha no am ye o man ni de hye no se mo so timi mwa coach ni man da nyuma pa na ko anim na mo tena kaze coach na menti ma se because mo am we appoint mo se mo bo no mo abo ball bi pen am ye o man na da e ma and bi na ebo mudin se mo so be do be so de am so ye bi mi hu se sabe o man na ye da eti da esomo enti mesre se o man na de enye ba akofo de a eye nyina na de a e na coach no so no o ye owo obosom ye mo ye o man na de se mutum hu se ye pam coach ko a mo na ye mo de a votim tri se o man no de su do nya de e mo de a mo beni ka se se ompe obruni ba ya forso de obruni de aba ya san forso do de obruni se de mi no be kam ho orunde nti omo ye sa de wo kire mo hu se dabi no obruni ko am no me sa adwuma no ese mo so ye ne yi a ye mo de a ye nka se me ameti yi ena me de o e yo mo anu nyina ho dom inde ne mbesi wo o mo anu nyina sika na de yi yitu mo ka to ado no mo aka mo ne esra mo o kire nku mu die no ibedi nkunim gumi be dipa but mo me hu se operation na man no coach ni ya ade bi na o kire Jordan ekwen fa so bobo wan tro no nko an o kire president bibiri de munye
Jordan producer fa Jordan there no eto Facebook ona amanfo hu ebra na ine no coach Milo channel senior no shoot no born fa no ha you know one more Facebook nso obetumi ajoin na
coach ni eye na mo nka se bia coach na wono mistake bibiri ho abra oba first one no asamoja no o training the same thing o training president bibiri see the kwen fa so dey shoot ball ba press na wo no we do 18 mu no say the channel no on fa no dey enye adwuma ono ye de ope
aha ntene one more Facebook no mo be hu abra na Milo echere sene ne Jordan enye den shoot no aha ntino ko Facebook a Okoman Radio 97.1
enti mestre say mo mo fa bremu ni na ma say coach ni nko a training o training mo fa no opeso man hu die de dey 18 fa ntuma pa dey efra enti no no so ni abre a o ye sa de no enti nyina o man no nyina fa so boto dey enter na chi na de bi o ye bia no enko ye mo man no ye nka se bia asumasi Kevin Edey ema aman ye ana se asumasi ni mo man ye e yo man no ye beto ye sa na yeso de beja wakọ man na ntima so de aba ti ye ne yie ne si yie dia sa na ntima so ba mo fa bi bia dey efri mo ti mi nua no de me ka chem se de bia na mo ya de bu ha se ena football ho ade bi no so bia so wi ni obi an ka so de gugu do no oba no so no mi ni se no wi ni de so wa out fie no wa mo pe hu yi abeda na dai oni odi gudum de so boy dai o che so bo mo so yi din na on to no bo mo den so wa anye sa din na wa ajo se wo tna se di agro na me de be wi ni ball no body a na de bia na dai be ka chi te mesrem coach no mi nya no never by one na chi na adwuma no ye no enye yi ma no
okay ano Kofi coach ano no so etumi akire ne nsemu but ye ba na afin so ya be hwe club ya Kumasi Asante Koroko ene won tumi akopue mu enso ewo eye Dubai na pre-season training no ana pre-season tour no enso no ekoso ewo Koroko akache na enso no yehunia eko but still obetumi ajoin live Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 obetumi ajoin na watch Jumedin live and so sounds on YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Okoman Radio 97.1 YouTube Instagram Okoman 971 Okoman 971 Instagram na also what me journey feed you know Okoman Global Sports and also go utie senior on duty wa ha sanso na ne Kofi coach ha ana fin no Jeff Football team and so ha me metie gwa midin Nana Kwame Amponsah Addi ubetima from AK and so fia yen hwe goro consensem no coach Okay, my mission is senior. Senior. Yeah, check out the issues. So far, one could do Dubai. Now, 27 players, and I could console it to me at the quay. Now, we shall say, me Sabeka.
25 and
25, sorry. 25 players, and I could call the quay. Interesting, me Sabit to me a squad, and he could console it to me copy mo. A year Qatar, and a pre-season, and also. Etimi Asha say Ediama Koroko so El Katana only say ne Koroko when you be watch say a year next year and I said this season wants to be to me we need the Ghana Premier League any other way but senior what about you
Jerry say answer na meba we no so no yeni na yeni say Ghana ne Zimbabwe match and ya dia supporters be park nti no ye be hwe na be hwe ewo TV so se na ye ni mu no nti me je say supporters a ye be hwe wo TV se na ye kan se nke ye be kɔ na nke yakɔkyele ye team ni up but car for ye say ye be bo close door supporters bi anko park nti me je say match no ye expectation ni be say obi win match na ma ye na ye ni eje ewo fie nti no me just say I'm too yeah support na better nwati say na ye coach kano ye de ne ye kan say ne de ye ka coach say we say bibi anti no yi okandefo no we na obedi kan ko me just say ye ka si me de ma adwen kyereba na so do wa adwen kyereba na say no di kan na amfa uni hwe ka na go what you say anything na bi ye ka coach na say because ye hwe mu a assistant coach ni ade nyina ye tuan ka ba de hwe coach na ne de ni pay de eso pa nti na wie ye kana asem no nti ono ya ma na job so ye say adwuma nti no ye be say coach no deliver my yen cause ye here win memra ye kotoko trip na wo ko Dubai no so wo hwe players a wo de kwaya wo say wo de 2 goalkeepers pen de kwai o 2 goalkeepers de kwai Kwame Ban na Razak Abelewa 2 goalkeepers na wo de kwai na wo hwe as a big team na as a wo ye team na me just say goalkeepers de nka 3 goalkeepers but me say back wo blaster engine am say o de 3 pen 2 ne den ekwai nti no players na wo de won kwa ne players a kotoko ato won wo this season na kotoko ato 12 players na kotoko ato this season last season we to 15 players na bisa won say 15 players na what last season wo infa once ya half eko na once akoto another 12 players no wasan de won aba
and then you watch Facebook we say koroko players no time worry fi Kumasi na won so akupu mu
Accra
na won ti akupu mu Dubai no ana so twegu Facebook we koroko players watch won see with no red tie
na who say logo no who say branding is good branding is good branding
obi potomanto kure ara o ma bi
but wo hwe Ronaldo mu na ade we see from Stanford wo kwa bobo kura Stanford Bridge na say Old Trafford kura home match no bolo kura won briefcase na ade wo kura because wo kura wo nya ma wie mi
zigi fa ba ko no na wo ko du nkran kotoka mo zigi heavy
who say
kotoka no
who say brand ni ya kama who say brand ni ya kama
no university ni share tagu so no
Kotokofo trip to Dubai no me mixed feelings kakra European teams and especially those from England and I walk up pre-season tour those Arab countries two things to say Qatar and Dubai two things. One, the Arab countries has some of the best sporting facilities in the world right now because they are focused on developing talent and they have like more state of the art training facilities in there. Two, the sun, because it helps in recovery. It helps in mending, say be a wepra now recover. It's best when you are in a temperate zone to say those kind of regions. My walk on and you say be a quote unquote life be ana say yenye na yenhwe bi ana holiday bi tina ya woko na wo hwe whether I wo side ho na hwe whether we are ha I think say the same since say bi a say sporting facilities no na worry ko ho ako take advantage of her but say okoho na could take advantage of sporting facilities now will it last the entire league? I don't think so. You know me feel say into me say I'm a mixed feeling. No, I am happy say players and they are going to experience world class facilities and how our they train here it can affect their game.
But producer man and also pictures in the video man and that's not
but at the same time no so no. I think say why don't you invest in those training facilities where your players will get access to them and will be used to their training every day. I mean that long-term effect on the playing style of Wu team no because I can bet you say the way Eric Way what Eric will say they will pay somewhere around $1 million for this entire trip.
Yeah, because about 25 players
plus
and the technical team
coaching staff near the now the influence will be 50 people.
35 you know 35 now.
No 35. Will be try ticket will be hotel accommodation, feeding, transportation, insurance, a whole lot. You know, over 1 million Ghana cedi there echo for this entire trip. And imagine if they invested that 1 million cedi in a club, you know, whether it has to go to paying the players better salaries or making mean to me because a basic stadium for but helping to improve what infrastructure now, what the ball now. Even if they used it in helping to repair the pitch at Baba Yara Krampa, I think it was a better investment. I'm not saying say minimum de saying one awudi team name and I'm telling them what to do there be now so me shada huni tin nan e bia na nonsense nia house for na abaso na is worry jedi no into meeting kotokon so person why bibi na ebe offset na attention ne kakra ba won so into me de in a way me peneso for kwa work on in another light so me shada am peneso
ti e bra kotoko kodu no kodu Dubai no bless me you should say be about now she be bag na producer for to see
I don't know
what producer baby I go do Dubai no baby I go do Dubai
I don't know whatever
like we should be put to or come here show so
because who say players na work on new signings in the room
the new signings na for tomato but young squad koroko and so to me edeko na yambo so enfa squad akoroko enso no etumi de kopie mu ewo Dubai no goalkeeper so no two Kwame ba na amanfo no owo ofre no owo so na Razak Abalora also goalkeeper defenders no any Christopher Nete, Moro Ibrahim, Abdul Ganiyu, Yusuf Mubarak, Samuel Apia, Augustin Ejapong, Andus Apeu, Maxwell Ajiman, and Patrick Asma. One and defenders no midfielders no any Bodasiru Salifu. And also say deputy captain, Richard Buadu Agadas from Mediama, and also etumi joining team no Clinton Opoku, Sansona Sheriff Mohammed new signing, Clinton Opoku is a new signing, Richard Lamte also a new signing, Fabio Gama dos Santos, and also joining team no Emmanuel Kayeke, and so etumi account forward nini Solomon Safutela, boy me say Kotoko Fueja no come that's all. Someone watching a new signing, Andy Kumi. And so a joining team no Ivan Sadomako, Joseph Amwako, Dixon Afuakwa, and I think so no Isaac Opong, when you new signing also no about Uba Yaro could. This man will be 25 players in any Kwame Ba, Razak Abalora, defenders no Christopher Nete, Ibrahim Imoro, Abdul Ganiyu, Yusuf Mubarak, Samuel Apia, Augustin Ejapong, Andrew Sapel, Maxwell Ajiman, Patrick Asma, midfielders Mudasiru Salifu, Richard Buadu, Clinton Opoku, Sheriff Mohammed, Richmond Lamte, Fabio Gama dos Santos, Anna Emmanuel Kayeke, forwards Solomon Safutela, Samuel Boating, Andy Kumi, Evans Adomako, Joseph Amako, Dixon Afakwa, and Isaac Opon. Until when the players are Kotoko, and so on, Edaku Pimu, El Dubai.
You know, Oshe players are one new signing and old signing now. Nana Jeff Fukano. It will be how many years to the sense Oshe players here was saying where as a teamwork in you. As a teamwork in you. Yes, definitely. Two weeks. I could build a team. Whereby a class of folk are building team for 4 years. I has building the team. Players no be uncle baby. Consistency. Whoa. Into sir. New players was and I'm say last season Kotoko signed 15 players.
Oh, producer man you video
this season
Dubai video.
Last season Kotoko signed 15 players. Because say sign akawum. What's that when you na kwan aka nipa be 5 pe.
Because na Emmanuel Jemfiko.
Oko. Last season
Samuel Adon from
last season our goal scoring Jemfi said 6 goals. Emma says is part of
on a captain.
Yeah, that was a deputy captain. Now we a captain first, and a captain. Onosoko. So I say that your team core team unakasa, and I say team unakasa players na what players what man when you nako. For now, what for another 12 players, and that's in Europe. Team Benes Haneman.
Oh, so City do no what Liverpool.
12 players
Liverpool
as a season.
Liverpool to 11 yeah.
As a season, 11 players as a season. Because now say and now we skapa. Timina Kotoko we ska Kotoko because me near this players I want to know what the better one. Because me who
I know the players.
Because me who still na Amankona almost 150,000. 150,000.
I say Kotoko ska team name.
It is 150,000. It's 150,000. Now they you have 10 players and 12 players in now will be 150,000 times 12 years. In yes, Kakatoni, you share for no. It is just man say, some players you are to win. This is the last maybe say, coach, you know, and I recommend some players when you know, and I say, na technical team in Etoba, and I said, Nana, on the top, some players in Naba. Me just made an Amidian Zambia Kotokoni, Kotoko Kwame manager, Blanding Kwame manager, Sunny Yasha Ghana football in the beginning. But one day wonder. Yeshe, Sika Yelly Seno, Ewo, Dubai Yelly Kui, and the press Yelly, Yabasian your resource. The just say about next week in the moon, and then next 2 weeks over Bano. Now what the resource have. Just say, what's a friendly match, about 4 friendly matches. Didn't I be Tregu, Ewo Kotoko, absent so. It will be a Kotoko absent, Oka after friendly matches now with Sabeka.
Promote Kotoko.
Oh, some Yakotokoni.
Janice say promote Kotoko.
Anna Kotokoli and Yamapa. Internet was here promote one. Now, I don't know best make Kotoko as a man.
Let me say Kotoko Dubai as 7.
And then Kotoko Dubai as a man making. And I'm a program say, "Oh, pan, I'm lecture we." Say, "What go for friendly match?" So friendly matches in Inano. Obe show Kotoko apps and so. Into be a new Kotoko apps no. Oko a Play Store. Oko Omenya. Now was that cabin watch a beautiful football wakobo Dubai. What is our born? I see, and it was a Macayo say, "Young Doom says, you know, some match in a cool chop. Oh, a cool chop. A cool chop.
My you have to ask a couple of Gabi. Yeah, and I what the Kotoko didn't see.
The meet him no, me master mammy what I will make Kotoko no. And yet Dubai assembly, I've always had an issue with the style of management Kotoko Ewono. Me say bibi kakre bi a obetene na wosi otumfo apam board ni nyina. Kotoko to me pam board be twice a year. I think say emwa kra. I think say it's one of the things that hamper the progress of Kotoko as a club. That is the involvement of otumfo Nana Santehine. You know, obey me a bankrolling the club, all right, but you know, the way we and Kasa, then Nana has to step in. You know. I feel say sometimes and yet good for the club. And, you know, I don't know, say be as a restructuring be baby more baby because sometimes football here time kakra. Here time to restructure to go in a particular direction. But I say Kotoko maybe I will lose 1-2 matches be na away in one palm board. Then a new board is constituted. Then a new coach has to come in. Then 10 players have to go on transfer, and 10 players have to come in, and then 10 be and I say you preparation stage. So I say, and we never get prepared enough to execute what we are supposed to execute. You know. Me I hope say ni awanga start in Dubai very quick. Ejina plan papa biso for the coming season. Na you benefit the bebre Kotoko as a club. Cause me so me a Kotoko fan pa.
Oh, okay.
Korobia Kumasi as
I register.
Oh yes, I'm a registered Kotoko fan. I'm a registered Barcelona fan too.
I'm a Barcelona and I'm a register na house no. Edin send me to my register or Ghana. Oh, the Ghana had mean to me register movie. The boy, so the boy no to if I see this a month.
Yeah, the boy. Yeah, the boy. That means a correct fan to say me. Correct fan to say me. Just say you say
I won't go there.
Team miracle. So there been a say you silver and I'm fine. Yes, yeah, then you mam gold.
So we are going good and away.
Oh, Debbie. What's in your woman a kit one to make it them no what they can say man.
They want to be cranky to say be answer what they get to Erico Dubai.
Dubai no as the same for Subi fee Dubai ni moba.
Go Dubai the next season in London.
Same for Subi fee Dubai ni moba. Na ye na afi ye hu say ebe ko gold and ya ko go because as it stands now unya sikakra now ko London is useless because your players don't play in the kind of weather conditions at London. And it to be useless training them in an environment like that. And you know Dubai hono weather pattern like the heat of the sun AB a hobe showers in her but still it's a real ball near something similar to ours.
Obi are sending message and say you got to fans and I can painting or Dubai and you say or technical biani or fa or the be a man from can't send a year can ya woko Dubai and Akiana Casa. Anyamon. I always try to look at both sides or the sensible side of the issue. So I don't think say Kotokobe gather that much resource and just take the players to Dubai because they feel like they have to go to Dubai. So what I say, I think say Europe na ehuni players na season off season wow bekwa enjoy whatever it is you want to enjoy. So as Minya kind, I think say there are some friendlies lined up for their trip in Dubai and you know we are looking forward to seeing some good football near who effect of going to Dubai on the team. Chill out restaurant. Se me fan to him. So ojrei chasi jodei. Jumadi chinchi ebe koso chill out restaurant na me ankasa me wom na ebe chasi on the 14th, 15th, 16th and I think so 17th October 2021 and the 14th ojra yauda na ni fidai 15th maybe that 16th and I think 17th ye kwesida no ya praprechi na say ana shesheneti chill out restaurant on the 14th no ojura akwaba day out na say yemu bibi akwaba e dey aboku apemem ene kropon ojura no ano ebekoso chill out on the 14th of October na adechi fida ye 15th na ano soro ojura family day out na say we ahoti ebusuafo no beba wo ba ese mutumu pue kohwe krom uba kroma ese udidi ubedidi a ninya chill out restaurant coffee ebusuan beba mofra beba oba fa wonkotana chill out on the 15th no na feel so want to me need na one for yeah for the minimum say busuan beba why bookings did out order no place it out and then
chill out they say almost an Fabia
and jama usi mechi na me na misi wechi
misi wechi because and run you fa kra no
you fa na
chill out na midi na
then answer na mo na
chill out na midi
and ebeshia na
ebeshia and I say you create member who say chill out who remo okoha members corner
yeah, heavy.
No, chill out a hard place. A hard place.
Urema say na be say Urema na my family left. No ma ko say.
Yeah. Chill out a hard place. But me share young ladies no in-house ladies no back
Baako.
or bomb me to brief no you know I say hey I say hi I say hi me say hey what's so hi so
Hey, via football ya dingo.
and obi atwam koye no ye
Sir.
you
Me so ba to be the way chia.
ba me de na me nye bi na me retwam me aduan
We twa. Me so sa na me twa.
na me retwam me aduan so yeah I just got my food and but chill out is the place to be this Ojra.
Sure.
Because members corner chairman be a chairman level.
Sa.
Yeah.
Live chairman life kakra ojure na de bia tintim o kwan chen na doso de bia ye tintim sa also no live executive life kakra na also ojure on the 15th no say family day out ozu na ebusuafo no pia me eja me de ankonam ankoda me nkwa na me da eja me nya adamfo bia ojure wa pa madamfo no fa me na 15th ye nkotena chill out kakra na ye 15th no family day out so also on the 16th chill out ojura party train. Chill out Ojura party train. That's how bam. They say ne musa ye memene dan yenye ji ni ekwa ni eba ni nyina chill out restaurant and Ojura so no ebe ko so na 17th no hey meet me there no Ojura meet me there no you go pay me chill out restaurant into no just say na de bia no edu meet me there na ye ko no afin so sa Ojura dey chill out meet me there no wa and ye continue the finest. Unu send ye show no nti no chill out Ojure restaurant be there na ochirema eni wo both local and continental fie ye bibi mem ye aduan ye di ebu ope fufu ubenya ope banku ubenya kokonte akpele ni nyina mori koko ni nyina chill out
no se me je fried rice na na me je grape juice na oh
very assorted spaghetti no chill
out for fried rice no na what chill no to say KFC chicken what chill no say KFC chicken crispy no oh Charlie
oba kunadu
chill out there
on me to order spaghetti no no susu obedi bi and you know open local and continental local no and uko breakfast obey bi ama open morocco tom round there's a atoko koko nyina na chill out uko breakfast we to serve continental fried rice continental oba na assorted spaghetti ni nya obetumi ayebe aduan bi a open no uko na o timpacho me pay ya obey the ama na enche 10 minutes na saka waduan nye baby am ko tena 2 hours na me da so te wo aduan ben matches ma da kra
I think say nia o kan say na yam papa chill out uduwa I don't think I've spent more than 10 minutes watching out that. Uduwa within 10 minutes you get your food and you're out. I know there is true. It's very true.
My dad aduan wa just say 2 hours now.
There are some 2 guys be our walk counter.
Yeah,
one customer service is very good. Very friendly guys. I mean, they know how to serve and cater to their customers. I mean, I say minimum dim, but I think I want to comment them. Every time I go there, I can ask them the price of everything that they will have the time to talk to. I like those guys. Sure. Chill out there is the place to be.
Now, media sponsors no Okoman 97.1 radio until na mayiri me until no Okoman anene your boss jumadi yachia yana chill out restaurant radio Ojure on the 14th 15th 16th and 17th October there's Ojure fi ya da copy consider ni nyina no chill out restaurant ana eredi sa jumadi sa so na chill out nankasa enso no ana won jumadi ni si wona anso a woreboa na bibia anso no etimi aye kama open chichirimu bia wait my friend chill out in painful 0554 039 939 0554 039 939 now so jay missy kwanchang de na adoso tintim no adoso enye bia na mepenkwan ani ngo yi da bi live executive life kakra into ojrai enyina ayenkopue mu chill out na afin so yetumi ko didi na bibia so no enye kama chill out ojra time out together also we create the fun na bibia so no kama ntia wi ma Julie na chill out you na so ma minchiao sa so na oba kunadu madam papa so no ma minchiao wi papa edi na afin so no paki musumu ya heavy mo ne adwuma yefuni nyina awie ma yenso no yenchia mo na ubedidi na aduan be sha wo so aya na nsem fata enti na obese odi aduan pa ni nyina no exercise ansa o exercise na akotena sa otumi didi ma aduan no ko ho nti ochena clean up exercise kese ebetumi atugwa ewe kropon ha eye Okoman 97.1 radio ana ene no yaka yentama ade aben eye Acro City Entertainment Sheikh Dibo ene nkrofo ana afinzo Travel and See club Fly Fan Club ana afinzo Local Council of Churches ewe kropon akuapem ana afinzo Honorable Kofi Bempo ono ya assemblyman ede ma assign room ana ne yenyina yaka yentama abo ano a ye clean up exercise kese anso na reba so one to the din pre Ojura Festival clean up exercise onim say Joda in Ojura iba so into achina yensie krom na krom na krom ye fe se na awo no ba awon say ampa ekropon fo yedi ehuni ya wotew nti ene no Honorable Kofi Bempo Acro City Entertainment Local Council of Churches ana afin so Okoman Radio Travel and See Fan Club ana ne no Fly Fan Club enso no yenya aka yanto mabo ano a achina no pa ye hye sa adwuma de na se ye be sha se 7 am anopa ewa ye Ebru Station ye sha se ya pra fi Ebru Station na ya pra gotem enye gota bia unu ko ye clean up bia what's how fi gota ni ma no de agu gota na nchanga suto ya na se agum da bi we ye wheelbarrow se no yi amafo wheelbarrow rake ni ade shovel ni spade ni ya de sesa ni nyina na ya pra ko pem council old council na se krum na krum so ada ho onama krum ba bia amon spray ni ade na se mo ane wansra ni ndafro ni ade ba bia me kwatan otu wanom sa won se tefro hwim wetwom maako na tefro na ma ni nya se mfata yensie krum nti ne Honorable Kofi Bempo ono ya assembly member enso na was assign room sa so na ne Sheikh Dibo ana ne what is adwumadi no enso na reba so ochina 7 am pepepe mi wom unso wom Jeff ochina ye hye nti hye kama ne akoboa senior na efe clean up no enso no etimi akoso na ene no yes esha so Ebru Station akopem council na bibia so no etimi kama na open chirichiri mu bia ofre Sheikh Dibo o number is so 0246 382 878 0246 382 878 and Sheikh Dibo number so na Reverend Dr. Kwesi ono so betima frɛ no na wa penchechire mu 0244 632 516 0244 632 516 and after so no Carlos yes man Carlos ono so kajumedi nwa ono so betima frɛ no 0243 768 184 0243 768 184 na fin so no wetima boa na chana clean up exercise no enso etimi aba so na odwurei obanua dia wo fie busia beba obedidi unya akokɔ nteni Acro Farms ana mekanfo ediama o se spent years no still ebi wo ho na no manager say ye fi 18 na ko 20 e ma over go do 20 ansa na wadu wo mprempren ame no ka say ko na ma sanka ya o spent years no okwa o se eja mama me 50 mama me 200 150 300,000 wo tuma be kuma che fridge m ejuma we rubu eko sto ofie na o so na ebusian edi ne kama intene spent years no still okwa onsa ebetimi akabi sansa na 12 weeks cockroach enso ho ha eno ba ko 8 Ghana cedis 12 weeks cockroach no eja ene carpenter bo mi pisu amame achina pepepe okwa ko family kokko abegu me fa 200 na ma be yen enso ofie na feeding wa asem na be asem enti no ogo biemu Acro Farms eja onsa be kan 12 week cockroach ibi na so wetima be yen na wanya sika edi agu kotokum ebedu bro nya na je se wanyinga na sa onso aton no bia be so ton obeto go hunya enti no onso ton am na fa so de enso etimi aba kotokum ene no wa won pa na yare de ebi ni wa kire sa nkukọ yi enti wo de won be fia we safe fie wo nkukọ a wan na ho basa za nkukọ yi a wa so de ne ohuru fadan so ne ade ohuru besi no ga still anya de yare bia enso no ebetimi a kire enti ne no Acro Farms ana mekanfo edi ama obetimi afre Acro Farms mpanifo 0245 187 871 tie number ni nkazi wa be frame anudwa amadazi Acro Farms number ti 0245 187 871 ebiem 0245 187 871 ana say 0553 339 355 number here de ntano kurenti nkukọ no basa 500 account me so 300 0553 339 355 na kupimo Acro Farms eni wo apasare utwa ya doso na ro kokufu de apasare unifa so ya bako na chese Acro Farms wo kakra kuko bi ape per 1000 2000 ni nyina onso onsa
Then so ye be fufu Tony ade.
Ni nyina nkosia nyina mokwa.
Nyina be Akro Farms.
Akro Farms. Ha, nti na wie yankafo Akro Farms. And so emfa ma. Nti no I don't know. Quick one. Yeah, check how to hook partnership deal. And then so no want to me assign with TG Hoffiam. And I think so no Cincinnati FC of a Major League Soccer name. Jeff, yeah, check that deal no. How to hook a partner yeah TG Hoffiam of Germany. That things so to my boy na how to hook team no. To me akoso na.
So ye be fufu Tony ade.
Uzi. Okay. You know, me say mission na. Hey, you producer do beku mi o. I know abo bibia so ma na. Me say mission na masum na. Bibia so no to me I fine. You know, me say mission ni letter how to folk and so no at the babontin na also on dinga da sa partnership no and so na to be afraid the 14th and anra otumi share TG Hoffiam penfo na what is our partnership deal no. And so no etumi share so na say enye fidi agro okwa hata kachia when ya bre we say still what she so bitimi and make it team no na team netma ejina na so na niam so etumi akoso na na deal no din da so we say 3 continents 3 clubs 1 mission 3 continents 3 clubs 1 mission and it had to folk and a common value club alliance. And then so what you can want to on the TG Hoffiam and I think Cincinnati FC our Major League Soccer team Eastern Conference League and I want to make Jeff. We have partnership deal.
Partnership deal no. I think say I don't have the full details yet on what grounds worry you know say
and you know what you must say one we share technical know-how.
Okay.
And 2 education.
Okay.
3 no impact and sustainability.
Okay.
And you know any near be sa how to focus in TG Hoffiam and Cincinnati FC
player exchange be remember na
say
bia say ha wo hu e bia don't find say time at Tariq Jibril by ya na ko Diegori and ke bia obetimi afa no na wa ko bot trial be wo you know Hoffenheim na ebiana ebe hu anon na Bundesliga ni munate so Diegora me no
we na idea be sa o technical know how education impact and sustainability.
Okay nti ana no na me player sale bia wo ho ba bia sa nti no well I think the technical know how in modern day football no so very critical and you know if that's what's going to be done I think it's a good thing. And if you are going to be objective, they are doing very well. I think that Togbi Afede seems to always be taking the right steps, you know, to give Hearts a future. Because I think the other teams in Ghana,
I think our partnership deal with Southampton.
Yeah,
and so
but you know, Southampton one has a premiership Oh, and you know, me pese meka but
no because if you da korokodo on boy 7 matches Southampton
into team be the one born at Southampton well
it has in the TG
Hoffenheim they are not it's not like they are also doing any good any better than Southampton but we are hoping say technical know-how transfer now Warekano say ebebemu na yehu some improvements Ghana local league made no na me pay improvement no na ebemu say yebo ball I mean a bit to me across the continent because I will share the average Ghanaian football talent now share outside it's just basic technical things now with the BTM how to pass the ball how to shoot the ball maybe how to control the ball. So those what is from the academy days into it becomes part of their play. So I say, mo frano baby onim style or break ball, onim style or shoot it. And I'm very sure say no crown kahuna a coach Milo Richard a Jordan use a shortness. So I say, and you know, Jordan started here. The FC Nania. I was there those days. Legon, they were there. They started here before they went to Marseille. What started waha? And you know, I think say if the technical know-how no transfer any beba, me I'm all for it. Whether has no say be Ghana hand able has and Kotoko and they are against whom, but say has cross it as a team now worry about any other team on the continent. And the agency say Ghana for looking for say Ghana Premier League better Ghana in him. I think say it's a good move. SC Cincinnati and Kasara one day. I mean, I've not really followed them in the MLS. MLS, the teams that me follow: New York Red Bulls, Atlanta, Galaxy. Even now me follow Miami FC Kakra. But once I say one share them one. And even there's this other Timberwolves team, I think, but who say MLS football no and shada and top flight senior the ones we are used to watching in Europe. I'm very sure say at the end of the day players ne wan opportunity and call Hoffenheim kra bebre no benya kwanga kofa Cincinnati to get exposure to the foreign style of play. So it's also even an economic betterment for most of the guys. So I'm wishing House of Folk all the best in this deal. I hope say they put the right things into document to ensure say they will gain as much as they can from this deal.
Okay, I know Jeff football team, but also bet me nyakwenya na wafra bem any Black Stars ochina any Zimbabwe and about 4 p.m. our Cape Coast Sports Stadium. Sansona had to folk deal with TG Hoffenheim so no etimi aba sokotoko and so etimi akopiem Dubai pre-season training no and so no etimi akọ o akwenya so betimi akamubia ba oba 30 seconds na aboni tew na afenso yakọ yo be 3 minutes pe na ya sorry so 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and got some frame na mana me bono na me mo frɛ 0270 191 971 also ubetimi afrɛ abemu hello ntimi nyina so ubetimi asan afrɛ abem 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 or Facebook so ubetimi do commenting so etimi aba I mean feel be wa Hello. Tony, I'm trying to connect na Bibian so no and fine. I'm trying to Bibian fine. Na wait me nyakwenya na also wait my friend but okay Facebook Foster Answer Junior I say keep the energy bro and also at me at the end about Sansa Millicent Jamia I say I'm watching you live. And so to me, I didn't know about sounds of Maxwell. And so say, I'm watching you live. And also to me, I didn't know about Steven. So I didn't about the same way as I was feeling. My name feeling quam. And it's Steven, so a feeling. So to me, feel hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Pacho. Dini baby Afrifi.
All right, your family Kojo ni Kasafi Odumasi Krobo.
Kojo Odumasi Krobo, you.
Yeah. All right, the first time I meet you program, you the host, my assessment, you are doing well. The way you host the program, not to say commercially across standard, very good. But with Opandic, Jeff, if I got the name right, I would advise obey further studies into the arena now or internally because there is a lot of information of Gibia on only perspective, but he makes it look like that is what the actual situation is. Obenki comments about Southampton and Kotoko. And you could see that he doesn't have a lot of information concerning the agreement and even the things Southampton. If Kotoko and Southampton agreement, there are some content upon which Omo Erani agreement, but not the performance of Southampton. Kotoko England, they are one of the best things that Omo training young players. So if Kotoko has a partnership with a team, no more the Omo youth side, there is no bad thing about engaging Southampton, no more Omo agreement. You understand? And he said, making comments, or making it so blunt, as he said, and I'm saying, we need Southampton, and I won't pay Southampton, I think, or make it deal, no looky bogus. And another thing, Kotoko going to Dubai, most times it could be about psychological purposes. Who supported Barcelona, but when it comes to preseason, they travel to some less countries and play some lesser teams just to put their team in shape. So Kotoko, Dubai, it does not necessarily mean so Babeji League. Even though they have a precedent so much to find the Ababeji League 2007. And say Omoko Dubai, look at the other side, the psychological aspect, how it is going to put the players in shape. Obiako Dubai, but no Nujina, Accra Sports Stadium, no only House of Folk, and I say Olympic player, ball, and the mentality me alone, equality me money winning game. No? So when you are analyzing issues, you have to put in at the back of your mind, who communicate to some listeners that you are not just educating them, but you are adding to some information they probably might know or not know.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
That's my only disappointment. I love the show, the way Amusi handle program, very good, but a lot of the things he said, some of us are tuning free because we know some things and the person is misinforming you, which is very difficult to listen.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Just encouraging to on Twaso. It is a good thing he's doing, but on giving us information, onima oni, but the onim no on kind of said we need the end on the perspective. So I'm who's any perspective.
Okay.
You understand?
Robinson Twaso. Yes, that's it. I know I am the answer if Krobo Dumasi. Wow. Also bet my fraba 0270 191 971 0270 191 you have no so Kabibi.
I think caller no phrase is here no. I feel he has been very unfair because first of all, if I sit here, it is my perspective. I'm not speaking on behalf of Okoman Radio or on behalf of GFA or Kotoko.
Mami Phil Biwa. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Bacho dini baby afifi.
Good afternoon. Okuwa. Zemsa kwalowa.
Mind you.
Because Kotoko assembly there. The local Ababeji League, ya bidida. And yes, and then I was right.
Okay. I don't know. Also with my fraba 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. I can't 2 minutes now. Sorry, so.
So as I was saying, I think say before me making me a session, I said it was a me perspective, and I said before my submission to say I feel good about it, and at the same time I don't feel good about it, and I give both sides of my perspective. And he can't come and maybe stand on one side and try to bastardize whatever it is that I am saying. So what I say, I feel like that would be a very unfair comment.
I think so. Obia one opinion when it comes to issues.
Definitely. If I sit here, I sit here with my opinion. So what I say. And I think I made it clear. Say I'm a Kotoko fan too, registered Kotoko fan. Into Semere Kasa, I'm speaking for the goodness of Kotoko as a club. And players going to Dubai or Barcelona going to other places for acclimatization. If he doesn't know that,
Everton bar.
Yes.
Is it Nigeria or Rwanda?
Let me give you an example. Ronaldo Nazario Dalema, when Stamina his injuries were reoccurring, they sent him back to Brazil to recover because I think say na ni and heal, and that was where he recovered completely and came back because of the warm weather in Brazil. So what I say. So if teams in Europe are doing it, our purpose into our day and but in Africa, it's the same arid sort of weather. So what I say. And then so if you are telling me psychological boost and what psychological boost will go into Dubai give to Kotoko players that maybe if they try to play with a Sek Mimosa or a Lali or can't do on the African continent here. I think that was a very empty analysis that he did, and he should come again.
I know, Jeff, but Senya Mekano and Obia are entitled to his or her opinion when it comes to issues. And Jeff, on Argentine, Sansona, many are free air club, Dumase, also what Argentine, and I don't know. But tell kind facts and facts. Got Echo Dubai. It's any other funny piano. Now so often. The one now was the work baby.
Maybe Senia, Defi Kroboduma Sabaya, I think say.
Me pese.
Oh yeah, me send na oka say me attack say no ka say me ba say unkoba na omu gina park so bobo obi akọ Dubai aba gina park so bobo a across of na no opponent yeah Central African Republic and Nigeria 1-0 omu ko enfa Central now World Cup qualifiers yeah
no your whole country to me
oko enfa no ko hwe Man City for do baby number yeah on person acclimatize here omo tu kwan yo omo bue fridge ti say dan say omo yen say fridge no mo de omo hiem entu betumi akọ enfa ba but massa you should be a little bit serious with them be what they say what signing players best 10 omo ni mo ho kra 2 weeks no mo de omo ko suya say omo be hu omo ho ball ni ade na what they say and I think say kotoko no mimi kotoko ni zenia ora for kano me register say that now the stream say me 5 CDs I it 5 CDs there be entu me 5 CDs dey go Dubai na ba na record to akese number na e show mo a ma say be ha
zigi fa kotoko video na mo Dubai no na the boy
e be hardly what I say na there be an yenya say yesi werum na tete mofra e wa buruchire yensu mu di na ye wo ha Brian, Debbie Mekase, Brian, Ghana, Yabo, GPL, no, not France for almost a grenade, and a friend of bomb, no, almost a grenade, yeah, I bet you a ball, after World Cup, Menu, Amenra, almost shock a whole Belgium, yet at the Hanum, and I can coach, I said to call a Dubai.
I quote to my effort.
What Mobian Cousin, FS in House of Flowers now, on the show, was you know, what I said. Oh, and you know, sometimes. You make Obia is a general kind is entitled to his or her opinion, and to be kind say one, and yes, say before my attack.
Yeah, I know so children arguing.
Now I'm coming boxing,
boxing or China, but we see our Facebook Live, no, Echo Cobra, we could do Dubai, Bats and other Komu hotel near there. Now, a bimu luggage, me, sure so about. If you want for Putomanto and Gazao,
who say a Tessie, Ghana, dear Tessie, but met me. Fast and Figures cry. Olympic Games be crying at the Bicoya.
And I know Cobra who could do Dubai. Fabio Gama, a guy. Mission Razaka Balora. Oh, already. Sky. Oh, you know about I could do her. I don't know, so no remember.
Shoe no, or your shoe no? Shoe fabric. Shoe fabric. I said, I'm Banyak and once more.
Shoe fabric.
General say shoe near fine.
They say a project manager. I say another back who come general now.
And most general, you most general. Yeah, emboss. You be embossy mama. No, say you be embossy mama and say most general. I will who say yes. Shoe fabric, no. You just announce papa.
Some is sneaky and then about
everybody.
They just if you for in
Okoman radio branded sneakers.
Yeah. Wow. And I say Jenny Kakwa, sorry. They're bones are.
Oh, and that's which general.
Oh, general few for in Quasila B Nani no no ne Mranten in Michel yeah. A Brante Bako University or Honum Kokobisa. Yeah, Michiano. Okay. Since a weekend,
I'll buy on Yadio, you see.
Are they?
What done for your voter region?
Agreta Oranyo. Togby, Yana no. Togby Agreta Oranyo the first. No, Fakachabo, and Ogogo Sulogo.
Jones and Alcomaton.
Enemy Chroma prayer for.
Okay. Which you be
which you be now 5 seconds. Yeah, I can 5 seconds. I can say we are here to learn. And you know, say you can be you guys here in Bibia Cotiti. And you know, say I can be now with fear. Now so Winima when you come to the show now so they are not sure now sure not sure and best empire when see better I say you need be and better I akwanya na den genya nti say won so nya akwanya
say won fa wadwen kire
so what yes for wadwen nti uba na wonimu no ewo mu no na okan no bi ya ne wantima anko deep so wonimu deep na they atua so na ma show no aide de you say beka tie funu na ye no na ye show no nti wo ba won so ma ye hu ne won so we den wonim afi ntia so hu ye den bekwa ma ye wo fa wo fase
me wa so no mo do so ntino wa mbodi
udu maami anim wa na oyɛ ti wo no ɛyɛ Billy ba no
go friend den so na hore ka wa dan fo
oh I am nena
onena
yeah ntino ntie mu yɛ den enkoma no yeah ono no wo fa no yɛ menena because no wo fase no no yɛ menena yeah ntino papa no yɛ me ba ntino yɛ sa na etene ntino ntino udu ɛyɛ cave mu so ya ɛyɛ pato no ne yeah walk no na de we na wo bu ma wo tie ntia nkoma won ɛwɔ no
okay yeah so what you be
oh yeah area me pese ntia kese papa pa ntia mu ye den pa nkoma Mr. Michael Asarabedi akon baby a wo bia just keep going higher me chia all former students of Okoman JSS
me ko Okoman
oh sir
me ko Okoman primary JSS
oh really
yes.
Oh that's great yes. I was your first senior prefect
wow senior mami
me din da ho first senior prefect of Okoman JSS
wow
and you know me chia all the former students of Okoman JSS say we have to meet soon
sure
meet soon
sure what can so mami chia me mami odika me mami ni say wo tu no odika chief of staff Madam Fremo Pare. Aha, mami chia, me mami ba kon. Senior on tias, me mami. Mami chia mami chief of staff, Madam Fremo Pare. Ewie mami chia na fin, mami otoso ebien CEO, Madam Salome. Aha, mami chia no e kana manager tias. Obi a wono mami ofia. Enti mami chia me mami Madam Salome. O heavy. Ano so ewie mami chia no. Na ye kwei, se na me kan. Ochena clean up exercise no ebe koso ewo eye kropom. Honorable Ebenezer Asante Bempo. On the assembly member our him broom shake the bow and I feel so local council of churches our cropon and I feel so Okoman radio yenyina ye de yenwo gem na feel so clean up exercise net about travel and see and I feel so fly fan club and so no yenya ekoboa na feel so chena clean up exercise chenche no yetumi e de ahihye so and then want to need pre Ojura festival clean up exercise is chrome na chrome afa no Ojura no so yetumi di na bibia kama e be sha say ochena anopa 7 am anopa 7 am ye sha say e de February station e da kopem local council wo nka no bibia na municipal assembly no no na esisi na yafa osan broom esisi potem na bibia so na ay kama Carlos and shake the bomb nyina tutu a yenyina so de yemu begem na esisi chrome na bibia so no etimi ay kama entino yerbesi na afin so drive team no etimi ato aso medin ane na Kwame Amponsah Addi obetimi afrem AK Jeff Akufubu aten woten kan senior on duty sanso na Papa Fresh Kofi coach and so no ebe boy na no encouragement head of sports and so no supporting afin DJ Tony and afin so DJ Zigibi Facebook live no eka edigumo doesn't jira me konso meko and afin so executive producer Ora Kofi Ansomba for KB Yankupon shira oya heavy sounds na Parko CJ munya wo support here citizen bebe obi anom me so mitia DJ Donzi aso jina se ono no me se obubo nu fun kakra aso no yerbeko na fin so no nya me pa Juda e be san ehia be de nya me jaw muchum